Do you have any advice to keep chillers running efficiently through winter? First, ensure your system has a minimum 25% glycol, which is good for ambient temperatures down to -15. Glycol should have the correct level of inhibitors in, because inhibitors protect against scale, corrosion and rust. It's also very important not to mix different types of glycol. Definitely do not use vehicle-specific antifreeze. You also need to test the operation of the trace heating on the pipework. As well as this, carry out regular maintenance checks on all equipment. If all of that sounds complicated, don't worry, all of these carried out by our engineers during our maintenance visits.